I'm talking to you with the ponytails.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samiljulissa if you're new here, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle. Just a side part ponytails. Okay, ponytail. Yes, y'all, I'm gonna show you how I got this look. It was super simple, super easy, and I really think this is really cute. Such a cute summer hairstyle. Like, it's kind of different, you know. And of course I added some bundles to it, but you can also just do this on your normal hair, your natural hair. Like when I did it, I thought it was also cute as well, but I just wanted to add the bundles in for fun, you know, for some length. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I just co-washed right before this clip. I literally just got out of the shower. So right now I'm just gonna part my hair into the side part that I wanted. I didn't want too deep of a part, but I wanted like that slanted part look, you know what I mean? So that's just what I did there. And then I decided that I was gonna part my hair in 3 sections. I thought it would just make it easier for me to do it in 3 sections just because my hair wasn't really that thick, but I thought it would just make it easier on me. So I just did that, and then I started applying gel. So then I'm going to be taking my dimming brush to detangle my hair out. And this is just to ensure that I get all the lumps out of my hair before I go to sleek it down. And then right after that, I'm going to go in with my hard brush to actually sleek my hair down. So here I'm just blow drying my hair because it was really wet, and I also sprayed some Got2b spray on it just to make sure that it stays hard and sleek all day. So then I'm just going to tie my hair down with my headscarf, and this is just to make sure that my hair doesn't move, it hardens, it stays slick all day. So to prepare my hair for the bundles that I'm going to wrap around it, I'm just taking a hair tie or a headband, and I'm just wrapping it around my hair, my ponytails. This is just going to create the base for the hair to wrap around. This is the easiest method for me. Like, I don't like doing the buns. This is just the easiest part for me. And then I'm just going to be taking my hair, the part that's folded on the bundles, I stuck a bobby pin in, and I'm just going to keep wrapping, occasionally putting bobby pins in. And I'm just going to do this for the other one as well. I just took a piece of the hair from the bag and I just sprayed it with the Got To Be spray, detangled it, and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail. It was kind of hard for me to get this in frame because I was trying to see what I'm doing. So I don't know how well you can see, but basically that's just what I did. And then once I got to the end, I sprayed it with more Got To Be spray and I blow dried it just to make sure that it was stuck and it didn't move. So here I'm just detangling the hair. I'm just putting water on my brush and combing it through just to get it detangled and just a little bit more defined. Like, this hair has been sitting in my closet for a minute, so I was just making sure that it was looking cute and up to par, okay, period. So these are the results. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that it helped you. And if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.